Hi there, Serial Trader here. I want to check in with our old friend CGC. And first off, the longer term price chart here on the weekly. I've been working this wave count for quite some time, but I like that we got our 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up for our initial large degree wave 1. That was the 2018 peak. We've been in this brutal correction down here. A, B, and then the C wave has been just absolutely devastating. Went as low as $9 there in March, which was actually quite absurd. The company was trading, at least by my calculations, below the value of its balance sheet, which is unbelievable almost, but was certainly a great opportunity to be adding to a long position. And now I think we might just have an actual V bottom, if you will, in place at that $9 level. And I like that we keep reacting off the bottom line of this overall ABC corrective channel. And I'm going to hazard a guess that was the ultimate low. And I'll go in on the shorter term time frame to explain my reasoning, why I'm more immediately bullish now. But just overall, looking for a large degree third wave to unfold over the next, let's say, couple of years, and eventually take out the old all-time high, which was at 59.25. So that's certainly the overall long-term Elliott wave outlook, quite bullish. So just to get that out of the way. Now on the shorter term time frame, so looking at here on the daily chart, so this is the action off the bottom, and again that bottom at $9. So I think we had that initial impulse wave up for what I'll label as wave 1, and that topped out at 16.34, and that was in March where we topped out there. Extreme bounce off that $9 low. Then we've been basically been going sideways since then. So we had kind of a three-wave move down for what I'll call an A. Then we look like we had this three-wave move up to a new high in B, and then it looks like a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 down for C. And you can see it would have been an expanded flat had it taken out this level, but it actually kind of made a double bottom. So that A wave low was at 1288, and we actually only went down to 1295. So a slightly higher low. So I'll call this a running flat for wave 2, since wave C failed to actually make a new low below wave A. And the implications of a running flat are quite bullish, because that means, okay, normally in an expanded flat you make a new low in wave C, but we weren't actually able to make that new low. So that kind of shows hidden bullish sentiment kind of showing itself there. It wasn't even able to make a new low, even though it got so close. So, and now we've had quite a strong reaction, quite explosive off that, what I'll call the wave 2 low here. So I'm expecting quite a bit more upside here, and just doing a wave 3 projection. So a 1.618 relationship off of that wave 2 low, measuring the wave 1 distance. 1.618 relationship gets us up to 24.83, so just about $25. That just so happens to be right around that previous resistance level, just under 26. So that'd be a natural area to kind of surge up to, and then have a little resistance, maybe consolidate in a fourth wave, and then continue on in another wave up. And again, this is just the kind of building the foundation for a new bullish kind of wave here, and not just on Canopy, but there's lots of other cannabis stocks that look pretty impressive off the bottom there. So a new weed bull market may very well be just gearing up, but I'm definitely liking both the longer term outlook here on Canopy. Definitely a clean 5 up, 3 down on a very long time frame, looking for another 5 up, so that's nice. But even on this shorter term time frame, this daily chart, I like that we got 5 up for 1. We did a running flat wave 2, and now we're heading up in what could be a pretty explosive wave 3 here. So definitely, if you're long, or if you're going to get long, your stop is against this low here, which is 12.95. And you can play stock, you can play call options. I'll leave that up to you, but I'm long lots of stock, and I'm also long some calls as well. Earnings is coming up here on the 29th of May. So that could be a catalyst for an explosive move. And judging by the earnings of other cannabis companies that have been coming out, an upside surprise seems likely. So keep that in mind. But yeah, I just had to do an update here on Canopy. It's been a while, but I think we finally have a tradable low in place. And well, not the $9 low, that's way down there, but I think we have a tradable low in place here at $12.95. And I think a move up into the mid-20s here looks pretty good. All right, that's all I wanted to say about that. Serial Trader signing off.